just like this, and that way you don't ever move down, okay? But the way, if I were y'all, I would learn it when you're first doing it, is just the normal way of spinning and moving down. Okay, notice I'm using my whole hands when I'm first up on the top, and then I don't when I go down. I go about halfway.
Can you use yucca stalks for that?
Yes, you can. Alright, I've got a coal. Need to shelter it from the wind until the wind stops. Okay. It gives me a break.
Is it because it's a lot smaller of a coal than a bow drill that you want to keep it intact like that?
Well, even the bow drill, the wind will blow it around, so that's why I do that. Okay, everybody see that? Drop it into my tinder bundle. Hold it up. Alright, now we got a flame. Alright.